Everyone, welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Omero TV. God bless you. Judy Austin eye don't finally clear. Judy Austin eye don't clear. The way matter be now, it be like saying na Yul Edochie I use juju for Judy Austin, not Judy Austin using juju for Yul Edochie. Or maybe the soap where they give Judy Austin, make she take bath, she go use and do cream. Because waiting they go on right now, we are still shocked. Yes, we are shocked. Now, Judy Austin was being used. Yul Edochie used her. Now her eyes they clear. Because then she thought she was the chosen one. The land of Israel, promised land. Now she say she did. Yul Edochie flaunted her on social media, using her to dance at the same time, using her to make money. Even the children where she born, Yul Edochie used those children also for content to make money. When Yul Edochie go court, Yul Edochie tell them for court say, the reason we make am deal with Judy Austin na because of content. And that man was not wrong. He said the fact in the court. Even if some people believe that he said it because he no want enter trouble. But that was the facts from Yul Edochie. Today now, all Judy Austin plan don't backfire. Everything where she thinks say she go gain for this so-called snatching of people husband relationship, it don't backfire am. Judy Austin right now, her eyes don't begin to see fire. Yul Edochie don't use style abandon Judy Austin. And the worst way a man can abandon a woman is by pretending to still be in the life of a woman. It is better for a man to just come up and say, you see this relationship, it is over. I not do again. I don't go. The woman go know how to pick the pieces when it remain of her life, how to arrange it. But when it comes to that of Yul Edochie no dey tell Judy Austin say the relationship is over. He go pretend say he dey inside the relationship when he is not inside the relationship. Judy Austin right now, she dey hear am hot. Because Yul Edochie, he no dey see for eye. Phone call, this man no dey pick like that. Always with different women. Just playing and towing Juju Queens. Just playing and towing, just playing Judy Austin. Lizzie Gold matter, na he carry for head. Apart from Lizzie Gold, Yul Edochie still dey carry other small girls around. Leaving Judy Austin to be a single in relationship lady. Because as it is now, only Judy Austin carry all the load for her head. No helping hand from Yul Edochie. Now Judy Austin, they realize, say, that mock way they mock me Edochie were all lies that Yul Edochie told her. And the worst part of it is that all those times when Yul Edochie they use Judy Austin, they dance on social media. Not because this man won't really dance with this woman. It was just to prepare the ex-wife, which was me, Edochie. Because when Yul Edochie tell me, Edochie say, I want you to accept Judy. Make 3 of us practice polygamy together. Me, Edochie say no. Yul Edochie saw it as an insult to his personality. He saw it as a woman that is selfish. He saw me, Edochie, as a selfish woman that don't want to share him. Yul Edochie even went as far to pepper me, Edochie Risho. Yul Edochie write and come out for this social media. He write and people where they follow this story right from the one, you can testify. Yul Edochie write and come out, I say, in too fine for just one woman. He's supposed to be divided into different women, and it's too fine for only one woman to the chopper. That is how far this man went. So this man was using Judy Austin to pepper his ex-wife. And Judy Austin thought that this man loved her. This man cares about her. But the fact was that this man was not in love with Judy Austin. He just saw an available woman that he can use to pepper his ex-wife. Even if Yul Edochie forced Judy Austin come aside to force on May Edochie, say make May Edochie accept her. But Yul Edochie was not ready to lose his first wife. He was not ready. He never believed that May Edochie will serve him a divorce letter. All those things, when he comes to say they happen, say May Edochie rejected him, May Edochie also served him a divorce letter. Now there Yul Edochie converse, come provoke. Carry Amobingo, carry Amwe by Judy Austin come aside. Begin use until they pepper his wife. Begin use Judy Austin till they dance. If you look at all the video where they do then, now just to pepper May Edochie. If you look all the video, you'll see say if the man they dance, the way they concentrate on the camera, the message was clear. But May Edochie ignored them because the woman had already made up her mind. When Yul Edochie see say all the pepper the way do May Edochie, this woman not send her. The woman not send her. The woman was living her life. Instead, May Edochie can build her life. Build her life, build her empire. She did not stop there. She was also building up her children. When Yul Edochie see say he's the one on the losing side and not his ex-wife. Why they busy? They dance with Judy Austin from one hotel to another. May Edochie was building herself, building her empire. Because I say May Edochie not send her. Now Yul Edochie withdraw from the dancing show. When Yul Edochie withdraw, now Judy Austin I can call Yul Edochie. Come, let's do a video. Come, let's do a video. Because to her, that video give her more confidence. That video make her to feel like the queen in the palace. She no say she not even get the position of as girl. She not get. So Yul Edochie, after he don't see say all those dancing, it has nothing to do with May Edochie. Rather, he's the one losing. Yul Edochie withdraw immediately. This man always time. He withdraw himself. When Yul Edochie withdraw himself from this old shenana, from this old shenana of Judy Austin. Judy Austin, that's in pain now. Because now waiting till the pepper, main nations and May, because now that one I be power. That dance, it feel like he's the choosing one. So Yul Edochie find out that Yul Edochie find out say Judy Austin is of no use to her. So when you say May Edochie, all those he dance, now they move the woman. Yul Edochie withdraw. Leaving Judy Austin to herself. No more dancing. No explanation, nothing. He said he just want to rebuild himself. Say he not dance again. Judy Austin go they try to they tell her, okay, maybe we just do one more video. Yul Edochie refuse. Remember when Judy Austin do photo shoot of a pikin when he get belle? Now so Yul Edochie, now so Judy Austin take go beg Yul Edochie come. See me Yul Edochie I beg. Make her follow and do photo shoot. Yul Edochie was not ready to do that photo shoot. From there, now that man don't they begin the tire. So at this point now, Judy Austin don't cry come aside. She say Yul Edochie used her. Say Yul Edochie use her. She say what she they go through, she cannot explain. A lot is happening in her life. She's regretting everything. She say Yul Edochie used her. Because the way Yul Edochie they treat her, you cannot even treat your ass girl the way Yul Edochie they treat her. She says she is losing all. She said Yul Edochie use her. He don't use her finish, he can't dump her. She said this is the worst thing that can ever happen to any woman. She's being used. So right now, Judy Austin is blaming Yul Edochie that Yul Edochie used her. Yul Edochie used her. Because the way Yul Edochie take dump her, the answer is very clear. How she go, they beg you to come Abuja? Should they beg you to come see children? Should they beg you to send money for her? Should they beg you for everything? You just be like, say your life now is all about Asaba. Why she's not involved in anything? Judy Austin say if she come out today, they ask and say, where is Yul Edochie? Say she cannot answer that question. Or they ask and say, what is Yul Edochie doing presently? She says she cannot answer because this man have cut her off totally. He said Yul Edochie life now is all about Asaba. Now she they regret. Say they use her and dump her. Yes, Yul Edochie used her. Yul Edochie used her. Used her. You think you can come into a home of 20 years and carry that your armour by ship to destroy it? Now see your life. You are being abandoned with 6 children, only you. Taking care of children, carrying everything for head. The same condition you put me, Edochie, and you want to enjoy the husband. Madam, you cannot enjoy the husband. So Judy Austin has finally come to her senses, realizing that she was used. He said the moment me Edochie not send them again, Yul Edochie have nothing interested in her anymore. Yes. He said Yul Edochie not get interest in her anymore. The moment me Edochie ignore them. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Omero TV. God bless you.